Okay guys, right now we have the iPhone 6s and we got a screen protector, and we're gonna put this on and show you guys how easy it is to put a glass screen protector on. Alright, let's start. So first off, what you need to do is you need to just keep it on a surface which doesn't scratch your phone. Open up the glass screen protector and take it out. So that one, I just ordered it from eBay. It's a 5D screen protector.
Full skin and have one.
Yeah, so you got one wipe, and the second one you have a cleaning cloth.
Wet and dry. So first of all, open wet.
Yep, and then just you need to clean it. So once when the glass of your phone is properly cleaned, then you need to open up the dry wipe. Just clean that off and just shine the screen so that it's free from all the dust, and just make sure that you switch off your phone. And then you need some tape. You take the tape and start pulling off the dust off the phone. It's really important to clean your phone, especially with this thing going on right now in the world. So it's much better that you should keep your phone nice, neat and clean, so that it's free from bacteria and viruses, because you're going to stick it to your face. So it's always good to wipe your phone and keep it clean, and always get a new screen protector after some time. So once when you've got this dust picked up, then it'll be the time when you can stick on the glass screen protector on top of it. Perfect. So you just peel off the backside, and that's what you do. You basically align it to the phone very carefully. Try to do it in bright light as we're doing it over here. So once you've aligned it correctly with the phone, just keep your two fingers on the top and pull the sticker which is at the rear, and that should basically just bring it out, and that is it. So there'll be some bubbles. The bubbles would automatically be, they'll just disappear out, and if the bubbles don't, you can just pull the screen protector back in, and that should basically clear off all the bubbles. And then you can just clean off any sort of residue which is left over the screen protector. So guys, this was how to install your screen protector, your glass screen protector, onto any iPhone, Samsung or any other device, and I would highly recommend you guys to do it. And here we go guys, it's all done. It's all nice, clean and neat. Alright guys, thanks for watching. Take care and catch you in the next video. Bye for now.